everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain a problem from motion chapter. A scooterist applies brakes and brings his scooter to rest in 1.5 seconds. If the retardation of the brakes is 5 meter per second square, calculate the initial velocity of the scooter in. Means from the problem, a scooter is moving maintaining some initial velocity u, and the person applies the brake or driver applies the brakes. When they applying the brakes, it come to rest. It is coming to rest means in gaining the final velocity is equals to 0. When he applied the brakes, it maintained the retardation 5 meter per second square. Retardation means decreasing acceleration or velocity is decreasing, that we can take retardation. Increasing velocity is called acceleration, decreasing velocity is called retardation. Here we'll keep negative sign for the acceleration, then that become as deceleration or retardation. Now how much time it is taking to go to stop when he apply the brakes? From the given problem they mentioned that is 1.5 seconds time is taking to go to stop the scooter. Means here from this problem we had to find what is the initial velocity of the scooter before going to apply the brakes. When the scooter is here, he applied the brakes. When he applied the brakes, so instantly it does not go to stop. For going to stop, it is taking 1.5 seconds, and velocity is decreasing, and finally it comes to rest. That means velocity is decreasing. Increasing velocity is acceleration, but they mention here it is decreasing velocity means deceleration or retardation. So A is equals to minus 5 meter per second square. We'll write the given data. We had to find before applying the brakes what is its velocity. For that, acceleration A is equals to minus 5 meter per second square, or else we can take minus A is nothing but deceleration or retardation. And how much time it is taking to go to stop? 1.5 seconds. And what the final velocity? 0. After 1.5 seconds it is coming to rest, so final velocity is 0. It is moving with some, before going to apply the brakes it maintains some initial velocity that we had to find. So for solving this problem we had to use one of the equations in equations of motion, or else you can take the acceleration formula also. A is equals to v minus u by t, that also we can consider. So I am taking one of the equation that A is equals to v minus u by t. So here acceleration is nothing but decreasing velocity, retardation, minus 5 is equals to v value, we don't know that is, sorry, we know that value actually is final velocity is 0 minus u we had to find this one, t time 1.5. so minus 5 is equals to minus u by 1.5. this negative sign is going to be get cancelled, and u is equals to 5 into 1.5. we did cross multiplication here. Denominator nothing is there means here you can take as 1 into u, and 1 this 5 multiplying is going to be 1.5. 5 into 1.5, then u is equals to 7.5 meter per second. So before going to applying the brakes it maintained a velocity that is 7.5 meter per second. So this is the problem. This is the answer for the given problem. If you like this video, please support my channel. Thank you.